I'm Rafi, come play with me. Numbers are fun, just wait and see. Hey, hey, hey! Look what I've done! I found a number. It's number 1. Woo!
Numbers in line, sliding just fine. 1 to 10, let's shine.
2 yellow ducks. Look at the cubes, they're fun to see. Red and yellow and one more, 3. Tap the drum, feel the beat. Numbers dancing on their feet. Look! 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 colorful drums. Hey friends! Can you tell me what comes after 3? You're right! It's 4! Brush the air, make it bright. Draw the numbers shining light. 1, 2, 3, let's take a dive. 4 and 5, we're all alive. Tap the 1 just for fun. Here comes 2, shining blue. 3, 4, 5, we come alive. Choo-choo train, come along. Count the numbers in my song. 6 little ladybugs. 6. Hi, friends! What comes after 5? Can you tell me? Yes, you're right. It's S-I-X. Dive with me, numbers shine. Bubbles rise in a glowing line. Wiggle, giggle, let's have fun. Say it loud, it's number 7.
Zooming fast, hold on tight. Count the numbers left and right.
Let's count and celebrate. Look who's here, it's number 8. Stars are twinkling, glowing bright. Let's count numbers in the night.
Look at the fruits, juicy and fine. Count them all and you'll find 9.
Hi friends! What number comes after 8? You're right! It's 9! From school to fun and city bright, numbers dance with pure delight. Yippee-yay! We've come to 10. Let's clap and jump and dance again. That's number 10. Watch more fun with me. Subscribe and you'll see. Come along and play with Rafi every day.